Hello guys, welcome. This is 100 days of coding challenge. Today we are going to solve a problem on Codesignal website. The problem is find domain, email domain. An email address such as, for example, john.smith@example.com is made up of a local part that is john.smith, an @ symbol, then a domain part. That is the symbol @ is a domain part, and after that @ symbol, we are going to slice that part. That part is the domain part from that given valid email address. The domain name part of an email address may only consist of letters, digits, hyphens, and dots. That is a valid email address. The valid email address contains letters, digits, hyphens, and dots. The local part, however, also allows a lot of different special characters, a local part, but the domain part will not contain other special characters except letters, digits, hyphens, and dots. You can check out the valid and invalid email address on Wikipedia website. Let's assume a given valid email address. Assume the given email address is a valid email address, and we are going to find out the domain part from that valid email address. This problem, the solution will not check the given email address is valid or not, because the email address is already given and we are asked to solve the domain part, find out the domain part from that valid email address. For example, the email address is pretty and simple at example.com. So we are going to find example.com. Example.com is the domain part of this email address. And the second, for example, fully underscore hyphen qualified hyphen domain at codesignal.com. The domain is codesignal.com. The output should be codesignal.com. So this, we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Let's try to solve the problem here. First, we are going to iterate over each the array of the address I in the range of len address, and then the next is we are going to check the current element in the address is at or not. If address at index I is equals to @ symbol, and we also check after the next element. The next element in the address is different from dot symbol or the dot. So we are going to just if it is different from, at index I plus 1 means the next element in the address in the current element is different from dot, then we are going to slice the address, the domain after the i's element, i's plus 1 element, not including @ symbol in this case. So slice and return that part, return address at I plus 1 up to the end. We slice. If this condition going to be satisfied, it will return, it will slice the elements after i's plus 1 and return the result. Otherwise, it return the address. If this condition will not satisfy, then return the address, which means that address, the given address is domain. Okay, let's check our code. Let's click on run test. Okay, it's correct. For example, we can check out all the testing, but the hidden tests are also be evaluated by clicking on submit button, and we just confirm our solution is correct or not. So this is my solution. You can find your own solution also. You can learn from this. You can learn something from this, and you can find your own alternative solution to solve this problem. Okay, thanks for watching now.